Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Pimple Popper camera is probably one of the most fascinating and surprisingly useful gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a clear, magnified view of your skin like never before, allowing you to tackle those stubborn blemishes with precision and confidence, transforming your skincare routine from a guessing game into a targeted, effective treatment plan that delivers visible results. Number 5. Bebird R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the Bebird R1, your personal ear care companion. Its advanced camera provides a crystal clear view, letting you see deep inside your ear canal with ease. Equipped with a high-precision 3 million pixel lens and 1080p HD resolution, this device captures every detail. The integrated 6 LED lights ensure optimal visibility, even in the darkest areas. Connect seamlessly to the Bebird app via Wi-Fi. You can view a real-time feed on your smartphone or tablet, take photos, and record videos for a complete ear care experience. This tool is designed for both examination and cleaning. It effectively removes ear dirt, whether your ears are oily or dry, thanks to its versatile replacement tips. Its multi-use design extends beyond ear care. Use it to examine your nose, teeth, and throat with the included specialized observation kits. With a patented, innovative design, this device offers a safe and effective way to monitor your health. It's a reliable tool for checking your ear canal, nasal cavity, and oral cavity. What we like? This device offers a crystal clear 1080p HD view with a wide-angle lens, letting you see every detail. It's also versatile enough for ears, nose, and throat examinations. If you're looking for a comprehensive visual inspection tool for multiple body parts, this is a great choice. What people say. The resolution is far better than you'll need to get the job done. Individual hairs display clearly, look like giant trees in a forest from the perspective of the camera. Waxy areas are easy to make out and the color separation is very good. The camera is great to see the ear wax. Very easy to use, exceptional softness that did not bother my ear canal at all. I just had to download the app and it worked right away. Seems to be good quality. Very easy to clean. The video quality is clear and it's helpful to actually see what's going on in your ear instead of guessing. The app was easy to use and connected quickly, which I appreciated. Number 4. Bebird Earsight Plus R37 R Ear Cleaning Camera. Discover a new way to care for your ears with the Bebird Earsight Plus R37R. This innovative tool offers a clear view for effective and gentle cleaning. Equipped with a flexible ear scope and otoscope camera with light, it provides a precise visual guide. You can now see exactly what you're doing for a safer cleaning experience. Enjoy the freedom of wireless technology. This visual ear picker allows for easy maneuverability, making earwax removal more convenient than ever. Designed for both adults and kids, it's a versatile solution for everyone's ear hygiene needs. Keep your family's ears clean and healthy with this all-in-one kit. Good news for your health savings. This ear cleaning tool is eligible for FSA and HSA, making it a smart and accessible choice for your wellness. The kit includes specialized tweezers for gentle yet effective wax removal. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to clean, clear ears. What we like? This ear cleaning camera is flexible and connects wirelessly for ease of use. It's also FSA HSA eligible, making it a convenient health expense. If you prioritize flexibility, wireless convenience, and potential health savings, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera is small and easy to use, with a clear picture that allows you to see exactly what you're doing. It connects easily to your phone via Wi-Fi, and the app is user-friendly, making it simple to navigate and control the camera. The built-in LED lights provide good illumination, ensuring you can see even in dimly lit areas. Number 3. Seki Edge Blackhead Remover SS801. Tired of stubborn blackheads? Discover the ultimate solution for clear skin. This tool is designed for effective removal. Achieve professional results at home. Its precision design helps you tackle pimples with ease and confidence. Featuring 2 different hole sizes, it adapts to various needs. Get the perfect fit for every blemish. Don't just treat, prevent. Use it regularly to keep your pores clear and prevent future breakouts. Experience a deep clean like never before. It efficiently extracts impurities, leaving your skin smoother and clearer. Crafted with quality in mind, this tool is built to last. Invest in your skin's health with a reliable companion. What we like. This professional-grade tool is designed for effective blackhead removal and prevention. With 2 different hole sizes, it offers precision for various needs. If you're serious about managing acne and preventing future breakouts with a reliable tool, consider this option. What people say. This tool within seconds removed a spot that had formed deep on the muscular part of his shoulder and had been bothering him for well over a year. The smaller side works well for surface blemishes while the bigger side is perfect for the deeper ones. This tool causes minimal damage. The is gone within hours. I'm happy to have finally found a blackhead tool that works without damaging my face. The wide handle makes it possible to apply a good amount of pressure, with a gentle rocking motion. This is a gentle tool and very effective for removing sebum, blackheads, etc. from pores. Smooth, quality metal and easy to clean and sanitize. Number 2. Blackhead Remover Vacuum with Camera. Tired of stubborn blackheads? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve clearer skin. This device offers a powerful yet gentle solution for your skincare needs. Featuring an integrated camera, you can now see exactly where you're targeting. This ensures precise and effective pore cleansing for optimal results. With 3 adjustable suction modes, you can tailor the treatment to your specific skin type and sensitivity. It's designed for both men and women. Equipped with 6 different suction heads, it tackles various skin concerns across your entire face. Achieve a deep clean like never before. Rechargeable via USB, this tool is incredibly convenient to use anywhere. Enjoy professional-level skincare from the comfort of your home. This effective skincare solution comes in a stylish gray finish. It's a modern addition to your beauty and grooming routine. What we like. This blackhead remover uses suction to clear pores and features a camera for guided treatment. It comes with multiple suction heads for customized care. If you prefer a non-invasive method and want visual guidance while tackling blackheads, this vacuum tool is ideal. What people say. Used correctly, this is the most gentle extraction I've ever experienced. The suction is controlled, the camera helps you be precise, and not overdo it, and I was able to clear congestion without the irritation I normally expect from anything involving suction. The results were immediate: smoother texture, visibly cleaner pores, and a big reduction in the gritty congestion that used to make my pores look enlarged. The camera is invaluable if you are reaching to a location you can't see without a mirror, and the lights are helpful too. Also, the suction on the lowest setting was still gentle but much stronger than my other pore vacuum. Number 1. I Do Care Dual Tip Pimple Tool. Tired of stubborn blemishes? Discover a simple solution for clearer skin. This tool is designed for effective and precise removal. Say goodbye to blackheads and other imperfections. Our tool helps you gently exfoliate and clear your pores for a smoother complexion. Achieve professional-level results without leaving your home. It's designed for safe and effective extraction of comedones and zits. Featuring a versatile 2-in-1 design, this tool is crafted from durable stainless steel. Its dual tips offer comprehensive blemish care. Experience a gentle yet effective way to manage breakouts. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Specifically designed with women's skincare concerns in mind. Achieve a clearer, more confident appearance with this essential beauty tool. What we like. This tool offers a dual tip design for both extraction and gentle exfoliation. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and hygienic. If you're looking for a simple yet effective tool for both removing blemishes and improving skin texture, this is a solid pick. What people say. It works well, feels sturdy, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. The style looks very fancy, and the quality is excellent. High-quality stainless steel. This tool is sturdy and not cheap feeling. The tip is so sharp and pops the sucker so easily. The other end really gets the gunk out and it's flattened the next day. Feels really good quality and much better than using my fingers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.